Our topic for today is determining risk factors related to lifestyle. So, what is lifestyle diseases? Lifestyle diseases are health problems that develop because of unhealthy daily habits, such as poor diet, lack of exercise, smoking, or too much sugar and fat intake. These diseases do not appear suddenly. Instead, they slowly build up in the body over time because of repeated unhealthy choices. Many lifestyle diseases can be prevented if people practice healthy habits like eating balanced meals, exercising regularly, and maintaining a healthy routine. The first disease is obesity. Obesity is a condition where a person has too much body fat that can harm their health. It is not just about being heavy. It is about having excess fat that affects how the body functions. Obesity happens when a person regularly eats more calories than their body burns through daily activities and exercise. Over time, the extra calories are stored as fat. Obesity increases the risk of serious health problems such as heart disease, diabetes, and joint problems. So it's really important that we do exercise regularly. Diabetes is a disease that happens when the body cannot properly control the level of sugar. So I just want to share to you guys that my grandfather died because of diabetes. So it's really important that we control the level of sugar that we intake to our body or what we eat. So we shouldn't eat a lot of sugar. Normally, the body uses insulin to help sugar enter the cells and be used for energy. But in diabetes, the body either does not make enough insulin or cannot use it properly. This causes sugar to stay in the blood instead of being used by the body. So over time, high blood sugar can damage organs like the eyes, kidneys, and nerves. Unhealthy habits such as eating too much sugar, being inactive, and being overweight can increase the risk of diabetes. So it's really important that we like what you call this we balance eating sugary food and we do some exercise regularly. So last heart disease refers to different conditions that affect how the heart works. One common cause is the buildup of fat and cholesterol in the blood vessels, which make it harder for blood to flow properly. This forces the heart to work harder and make it weaker over time. Unhealthy habits like eating too many fatty foods, not exercising, smoking, and being overweight can increase the risk of heart disease. So class, remember our daily habits affect our health. Eating balanced meals, limiting sugary and fatty foods, and exercising regularly can help prevent lifestyle disease.